I thought that it was a meet. I didn't know that I was going to have to read. And then the casting director, who I know doesn't even acknowledge me, she just walks right by without saying a word. And then she says they want to put me on tape. And I'm like, excuse me, but you need special makeup for that, or you look green. And she says, well, you can either tape or not. Like it's all some pointless exercise. And I just can't take it anymore, Jacob. I'm so tired, and it's so pathetic.
Your mother, of course, was Clarice Taggart, the wonderful actress who died tragically in a fire. What is it like starring in a remake of a movie and essentially playing your mother?
Scary.
Where'd you come in from?
Jupiter.
Now you hit Tinseltown, what are you gonna do?
This isn't a very glamorous job. I would be the most loyal, most competent, most grateful personal assistant you've ever had.
I hired a girl. It's amazing.
Why is it amazing?
She was burned in a fire.
You gonna hurt me, Agatha?
I think she may be bad. I don't know if she's dangerous.
This part, it's reimagining. It's a second chance.
I told you to stay away from us.
I was afraid because of what you did.
You blame yourself for the night I burned, don't you?
Hope you don't mind that I requested you.
I think you're a little crazy.
Go back to Kansas, Dorothy.
Secrets kill.